Alright, YouTube. It's been a minute. G. Cleveland from Cleveland Wells and Paint.
Shout out to these boys.
I was cranking up a motorcycle just to start because I haven't been running because of the winter. I hit a,
Welcome to the
speed
city.
bump and broke my fender.
Welcome to the country.
I had plans to paint this bike, but now I got a rush and
Welcome to the
paint.
city.
So what I'm gonna
Where
do
we
is
slide and glide.
pop
Sit back and get
fiberglass
drunk and have a country time.
fiberglass this fender back.
Where we still drink gin like it ain't a crime. Way back in the steels, but it still make a moonshine. Welcome to the country. Welcome to the
eBay.
country. Where them country boys love to ride. Where them country boys love to ride. Welcome to the city. Ooh, we're dripping that sipping mud.
That whole road of
Still ain't a
fiberglass.
crime. Chicken wing and home on
Got me some plug,
with the bread on the side.
stirring stick.
We keep the ladies
Got
from
me
the
an old
great
measuring
fools.
cup.
They like to shake their behind.
Got me some duct tape to hold my back
Where
and
we
hold it
still
together
rock
in
gator
the back.
boots
Try to get it
and love a
straight.
cow hides. Cause ain't nothing like the
Use this little
silk
grinder right here.
and ain't nothing like the country time.
The cheap grinder.
Welcome to the
Off
country.
freight.
Welcome to the country. Where them country boys love to ride.
Clean my area
Where
out.
them country boys love to
What I
ride.
need to patch up.
Welcome to the city. Ooh, we're dripping that sipping
What you back on when I get further in?
The
Alright,
show ain't a crime.
I'm gonna use this to put it on
ATVs
there
and
after I dip my resin in it.
We rock them side by
Supposed to
side.
do it.
We keep the homes on the pit. We
Always
love a
gonna cut the
country
tape.
time.
Put some glasses on.
Sit back
Go
and
to
talk
ground.
like it ain't a crime.
Right now,
And if you don't like the sip,
that's the hope
well, let the
I
sip it gonna kiss you
rain
goodbye.
outside.
Welcome to the country.
Brought my work home.
Welcome to the country. Where them country boys love to ride. Where them country boys love to ride. Welcome to the city. Ooh, we're dripping that sipping mud ain't a crime. Lord knows it still ain't a crime. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh. Let's go and ride. Welcome to the country.
I'm gonna cut you guys back on when I get further ahead. Alright, YouTube. I seems to put it together, got some duct tape on the other side holding it in place. So I'm gonna allow it to prop up. And start my process. Turn it back on to get further ahead. Alright. YouTube. I got my fiberglass and strips. Gotta place it. I done mixed me some resin up. I put me 3 drops of this hardening in there. Now, it's been a minute since I done mixed this stuff. Hope I mix it enough so it'll get hard. because I don't want it to break and have to do it all over again. Now, I'm going to take my brush, dip it in, and bathe this. Take my brush, dip it in, and bathe this. Put you back on when I get further ahead. Alright. I got milk coat in there. So I'm just gonna pat this down in there. Try to make it thick. It seems like it's sticking up. So I'm gonna take that's good. What don't get bedded in my resin, I'm gonna charge it to the game. Just cut it off. Alright, YouTube. Here's a finished product of me putting fiberglass on it. That's the look of it all around. I pretty much did a pretty good job. Grind all that off, grind the other side off, grind across there, get it good and clean. And I can put my thin skin Bondo on it so the crack won't be visible. Sand it down pretty good, put some prime on it, prime the whole thing over, then I have a solid piece. Now I was moving too fast and forgot to do this little insert right here, my little hole thing. So I'll have to give it some more resin, put it back there, sand it up good, put some fiberglass in there, boom, and do the same thing that I did for that one. But that's it, YouTube. Holler at your boy. I got you. I'm out.